Okay, it's Mark here. This is our display module, the carton. It's the first time putting it together, so for a lot of people it's a little bit hard to figure out, but we figured it out, and we're just going to show you quickly how you do it. It takes a matter of seconds once you know what to do. Bend over this flap as well. I don't want too many people calling me asking me how to put these together, so we'll do it for you here. Get the top portion, slide that in. You got your separator. Fold these in, fold it in half. Where you go for your separators. Just got to remember to punch out the holes and you're all set. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.